The Healthy You Rocker Balance Board is made to help improve coordination, range of motion, balance, flexibility, and strength. It features a 20-degree tilt and angle with only one plane of motion. It is constructed of durable wood with a non-slip surface and pads on the bottom to help protect the floor. It is perfect for rehabilitation in the clinic or exercise at home. The forward and side rocking. Stand on the board with feet shoulder width. Slowly tilt the edge of the board to the floor and slowly rock back to the opposite direction. This can be done forward-backward or rotate the board for side to side. Stand and balance. Stand on the board with feet shoulder width and hold balanced position. Balanced lunge. Position board in front of you and step onto the board with one foot. Lower your hips to the floor while keeping your back straight and hold board in balanced position. Switch feet to exercise both legs. Balance plank. Place hands flat on board, feet close together. Tighten your core muscles. Maintain a neutral neck, spine, and hold balanced position. If the exercises are too challenging, position yourself near a wall or a sturdy chair for extra stability. To increase the difficulty of the exercises, use dumbbells, medicine balls, or resistance bands. You can also switch to Healthy You Wobble Balance Board, which has a full 360-degree plane of motion.
If you enjoyed this content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel today.